Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Predator. In this channel we discuss about various concepts and technologies in Salesforce. In this video series we are discussing about Salesforce Lightning Flows. Today we'll see how we can debug and auto launch flows. Okay, so we'll go to our Salesforce org and we had already created one flow and process builder. So what both of them are doing combinedly. So whenever an account is updated and a field on account, the customer priority field on account is updated, this process builder is triggered and it ultimately calls a flow and pass these two parameters to the flow. Okay, now flow, what it does, it fetches all case records related to that account, and the case records have to be having status as new, and then we update all those case records with field priority. Okay, now let's say we want to debug this auto launch flow. Okay, we cannot go and update the account record directly from here. So what we have to do is we have to click on this debug on canvas, and this run flow as another user has to be selected, and then we have to specify these two parameters. Okay, so whatever parameters a process builder is passing to flow builder, so that parameter we have to specify as manually. Now I'll select an account ID. We'll specify account ID over here, and we'll specify priority as medium. Okay, now the cases related to this records, this account record is here, and you can see these two cases are having status as new and the other two are having status as closed. So the only above two cases should be updated with priority as medium. So let's check this. We'll click on run. We can see debug details over here. We can see these are the two case records which are fetched and stored into the list, and we are iterating over these two records, and finally we have updated these two records. Okay, and we have updated with priority equal to medium. So all of the details, like each step details, is stored in debug details. Okay, now we'll go to account record and we'll refresh this and check whether case records have been updated or not. Okay, so we can see these two case records, priority field of these records have been updated to medium. Okay, so this is how you debug an auto launch flow. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe the channel.